Hi, everybody.
Hello.
It's a Monday. Jess and I have turned Monday into Typing Test Monday, as Jess and I are going to attempt to take a typing test on a specific website to see who can type the most amount of words per minute without making any mistakes.
But we can backspace 3 times.
You can backspace. Yeah, we learned that on the air this morning, and there'll be no typing tissue paper over our hands. Whatever. So, do you want to go first? Or you want me to go first?
You can go first.
All right, so we're going to start the competition now, and whoever, well, there's really nothing up for grabs.
No.
Just bragging rights.
Pride.
All right, so let's get going. So we found the website typingtest.com, and the typing speed test it's basically got a paragraph of words. It'll time us. Down here's where we start typing. Words per minute, misspelled words, you get a point deducted for everyone that's wrong. All right. Ow! I don't like cracking my knuckles. All right, you ready? And go. Oh, wait. It didn't work. Okay. Ready? Okay. Damn! I am the worst at this. I just used a backspace.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I said 40.
Hold on.
41, 10 errors, so 31. 31? What the
My
freak?
turn, typingtest.com, and we're doing Aesop's Fables,
Yes,
correct?
correct.
All right, and you got 31 words?
Yes, go.
All right, do I just start typing?
Yes.
Okay. Ooh.
Saw the backspace.
She's smoking me.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop!
Oh.
And the results are in. Oh my
I said
God.
58?
57, 62 words, 5 errors, 57.
Man.
And the winner and grand champion of typing, Jess wins.
Hello, and thank you all. This is just my type. I'll be here all day typing away.